Cocktail number 3 is, drum roll, the daiquiri, a pineapple daiquiri. It's absolutely amazing. It just works very, very well. I'm going Nick and Nora. Love these little glasses. Again, I said it in the last video, but a big shout out to Drink Stuff. They let me have this for that. I didn't want to buy. I was tight. I didn't want to buy 6 or 12 or 24. I'm never going to use them for events because they're just going to break. So they gave me one single glass just to do these videos. So go and check out drinkstuff.com and get hold of them. They're absolutely amazing. So bit of ice in there, just chilling down. Cocktail shaker. Just going to make this in the shaker, and then we're obviously going to shake it. So 50 ml 50 of our rum. So that's in there. And then we obviously need our citrus as well. Going to roll these bad boys out again. This is ODK. They've just published a really great video about the carbon footprint and how using this much better. I'm not going to bang on. I use these more than I do fresh lime now for reasons you'll quite clearly see in other videos, but I really, really like it. Anyway, lime juice, 1/5 of lime juice. And although the daiquiri is traditionally just lime, I think just 5 ml of lemon juice in there as well just balances it beautifully. So just 5 ml of lemon juice. So 15 of lime, 5 of lemon. And to finish up, we just need a bit of sugar. I played with the Demerara, ODK's Demerara sugar. I'm just going normal sugar, because I think the Demerara just gave it, but you've got to let the caramelise, the sort of that flavour come through, and I think just normal sugar does that. Now, 7.5, so in between 5 and in between 10. I tried it with 10, bit too sweet, tried it with 5, just need a touch extra. It's weird how that extra little 2.5 ml, you wouldn't thought so, but that little bit of 2.5 ml just worked exceptionally well. It just set it off a treat. So, 50 ml of rum, 1/5 lime, 5 lemon, 7.5 of sugar. I don't normally faff around with 7.5 or anything like that, but that was just perfect because of the sweetness of the rum. So what we're going to do now, we're going to ice it, we're going to shake it, and then we're going to pour it. So icing this down. There you go, fill the shaker up with ice. Take a little shaker, give it a little tap. There we go, shake it for about 10 to 12 seconds. Right, as you can you see that? Look at it, let's do this, see if the camera picked that up. You see how icy cold that is there, look. Lovely, lovely and cold. Get rid of the crushed ice out of there. Get rid of that. Oh, it's cold. And then I'm not going to double strain, I'm just going to single strain for this one. So single strain. Bit of chunky ice in there as well. And that should be perfect for our little Nick and Nora glass. There we go, beautiful. Now, garnish wise, could do pineapple. There we go, that works quite well. Could do a lime wedge, Mickey Mouse ears. Let's not use the lime wedge, but that is my pineapple daiquiri. I could drink, when it's hot, I could drink that all day long. That is right up my street. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful.